How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and in today's video we are taking a look live at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is falling. I was literally just watching this half an hour ago, and I'm like, Bitcoin's gonna fall, and I'm like, oh gosh, Bitcoin's gonna fall, so let me make a video for my subscribers to let them know about MARA and RIOT, because I spoke about those stocks in my previous videos, and I was saying that if Bitcoin can go to 45, not 35, we could see the stocks gap up, but the indicators do not lie, and I am going to bring out the exponential moving averages on Bitcoin, and the 9 EMA was getting very close to the 21, and surely within a couple of minutes, a couple of minutes, it went under. We were under the 21 EMA, we were under the 50 EMA, and Bitcoin started quote unquote bleeding. So that's where we are at right now, unfortunately. I am so sorry. Well, great buying opportunity though for Bitcoin, but this was very expected. Okay, as I was saying, the most recent trend was your friend. The problem is when we start to break the trend, then you get these consolidation patterns, which are my favorite because I love to trade, and I love trading consolidation patterns. But when you see weakness in a stock, you can see the weakness, and here I was seeing the weakness because the 9 EMA was crossing under the 21. The 21 has crossed under the 50, and we get this waterfall of Bitcoin happening right now live. Are you gonna purchase some Bitcoin? I don't know, up to you. I'm not here to tell you buy, or sell. I'm just here to inform you guys that Bitcoin is doing this right now, but for that reason I'm actually now bearish, just short term. Not a great sign for MARA. We actually might see a gap down. It closed at 20, let me get the correct number, the correct price. We closed at 28.68, so that's where we're at right now. I wouldn't be surprised to open or gap down at around the 9 EMA at 27, and it probably in the pre-market you're gonna see a little bit of a sell-off. Hopefully we can find support around $25. Depending on how Bitcoin performs today or recovers, it can recover, but how fast will it recover will also dictate how MARA and RIOT and all the other Bitcoin stocks can react. So the next buy signal, well, not buy signal, the next support line for me is looking around 25. If 25 to $26 cannot hold on MARA, it could probably go lower. How low? Now I'm looking actually at the 50 EMA, and the 50 EMA is showing me support at $22.59, around 50 cents. So is this offering buying opportunities now that Bitcoin is falling? Well, actually, yes, especially if you're super bullish on either the stocks, on the crypto mining stocks, or if you're bullish on Bitcoin. I personally am looking more into the Bitcoin aspect because it can recover faster than the stock, and the stock moves very much different from the Bitcoin. So I preferably choose Bitcoin over the stock, my preference, but I'm just giving you guys an update that this is what we could possibly see tomorrow morning. On Monday, both stocks were running amazing. Now I'm taking a look at RIOT, and as you can see, the trend is your friend. If it most like, I don't think it's gonna hold. We're looking around the price range of $28 for RIOT. I wouldn't be surprised to see a pushback, a sell-off in the morning to around 25 to 24, and that is going to be the 21 EMA at 25, but the next support line would be 23.50. So this is where I'm looking. Where would I buy to go long? That's the thing, I don't buy to go long personally, I just buy to trade. I'm more of a trader, not an investor at the moment. I just think some securities are overpriced for me, so that's why I choose to trade, and that's just my preference. But just giving my subscribers an update, these are my price zones that I'm looking at on a pullback. If anything, I'm actually looking, if it doesn't hold 28, I might be there to short it. I'm so sorry. How would I short it? I can short it on stock. I preferably actually with stock than options. with this type of volatility on these stocks, because if Bitcoin can recover quickly, these stocks are going to recover easily too. So I'm actually going to put them all side by side to do a last comparison for this video. So we got MARA and RIOT on the left and right, and Bitcoin in the center. And all right, it's gonna hold. I think it's finding great support on the 200 EMA, which is 36,000. That will be healthy. If anything, we wanted to consolidate, but this is bad. It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. I actually know of someone who's planning to purchase Bitcoin, a good amount of it, but not at these astronomical prices. They actually have a buy order already on the 20,000 price range. They say that's a fair price. Is it? Well, or can it go that low? Let me try to get out the Fibonacci's, and that's a good indicator to use if it was to have a pullback. And 20,000 isn't that far off. It's on the 61%. It would have to go. It would have to really sell off to go to 20,000, obviously. But is it impossible? Not really. If it's not impossible, if Bitcoin just finds support around this range. Right now it's finding support at around 200 EMA, but then if we start bouncing on a trading zone, a range, I would probably see weakness in the cryptos, and then it could sell off again, and then we're gonna find support right here around 34, and that's just how stocks start to move, or in this securities start to move, and in this case it would be Bitcoin finding support yet again with another leg down, finding support around 30,000 before it has to go to 20,000. And I'm just giving the example of 20,000 because I have a friend who wants to purchase at 20,000. And again, is it impossible? No. It just starts to follow trading ranges and patterns, just the same way it went up, the same way it can go down. So that's Bitcoin, and that's why on the sides I have both MARA and RIOT. And just to be careful, if you want to go long, maybe see how low Bitcoin can go, and then you could get a fair judgment on, okay, we're gonna find support at that area for this stock. And I'm very bullish on RIOT and or MARA, depending which stock you like, and then you can pick up more shares or do whatever your heart desires. I'm just here to bring this to you guys just to inform you. I thought it was interesting, and my last prediction was, oh gosh, we can go to 40, but Bitcoin doesn't want to cooperate. So but can Bitcoin actually recover? We'll see tomorrow. Maybe I'll make an update video. With that, my name is Brian. Hope you enjoyed this quick live stream video. If you did, leave a like. If you didn't, I'm sorry. And yeah, peace out. Thanks.